baddest motherfucker I have ever met. Good friend and the world's greatest sales trainer, Mr. Jordan Belfort.
I know you're not following what I'm saying anyway, right? That's okay, that doesn't matter. The real question is this: was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not. I'm not leaving.
Number one rule of Wall Street: nobody. I don't care if you're Warren Buffett or if you're Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if the stock is gonna go up, down, sideways, or in fucking circles.
Sucker! Fuck you! Turn the fucking camera off! You don't got shit on me, you hear me? Go fuck yourself! I'm making an honest living, you fucking